A police outpost at Barato was inaugurated on Tuesday by local MLA Nujorki Sungoh, accompanied by Deputy Commissioner, West Jaintia Hills District, B.S. Zolia, Superintendent of Police B.D. Marak, MDC Barato, Ibor Lang Shadap, and villagers. The outpost will have jurisdiction over 21 villages and a population of more than 26,000. The 4.6-acre parcel of land for the outpost was donated by resident Profitable Dakar. And addressing the function, Sungoh said that 13th December will be remembered in history as the outpost was inaugurated, and hoped that crime rate in the village and nearby will reduce, and urged upon villagers to support and cooperate with the police for better administration.
And all that we will look into in the days to come. Yes, we do have a shortage, but not to the crunch that we don't have at all. We will try to manage whatever in possible way to run this Barato outpost. At this initial stage, we need a good cooperation from the people to run and to do the policing and the administration so that it reaches to each and every nook and corner of the village under this Barato outpost.